there's some big spuds. Oh, chopped him right in half. That's the one that come off it, seed potato. Man, that went the size of spud, not amount of spud. They are freaks. They are freaks. Donnie from Donnie and Jake Show just dug 2 spud plants up. Got a good haul there, but they're looking a little bit like they got a few cracks in them. I'll eat these, they don't have to store long anyway, but and they're monsters. But I'll dig up the other. I've got 4 more plants here, so I'll dig these up because it looks like they're starting to split and we got some rain coming. That's so weird that that big plant didn't have any. Look at that. Whoa! You see, he might have been stolen from the next plant, I think. We got this from over here in the deeper soil. Oh, must have been 10 plants. In the deep, nice deep soil, I thought it'd be going the best. We got this off 2 plants in the shallow soil. Goes to show, plant them deeper, not necessarily better. There you go, we'll weigh them and have a look at the weight. So I just dug them spuds out. There was about maybe 10, 12 plants in all. It's just to show, there's 10 seed potatoes, turns into that. Boxable, so she's worth it, especially when you compare the size of a seed potato to what you get out of the ground. Nice. It's probably only the first 2 plants, I reckon I got 3 kilos in the shallow soil. The rest there might only been a kilo a plant, so I think there's about 10 kilos. I'll weigh them, put it on, but yeah, amazing. Turned that into that. Bit of patience, about 2.5 months in the ground, barely watered them or touched them. Took me about 5 minutes to dig them up. Done. Okay, we'll set the scale 0, put this box on, and we'll see what they weigh. Oh, looks like a few more than I thought. 15 kilos. Nice. Alright, I'll see what, I think this is the biggest potato, so we'll see what it weighs. 17 grams. Nice.